It's a weird job. I have, it's Dutch Bros time. It's slushy Saturday, so therefore I actually get to get Dutch Bros today. I don't remember why I didn't get it last week, but, they're really pushing the shark attacks right now, and I can't have, like, most of the things in the shark attack. And so I was like, wait, let me just order my Electric Berry Rebel, and we're gonna try a cherry shark attack, because I think I can have that, because it's usually the really, like, artificial cherry. And the person taking my order was like, that's a banger idea. You're so big brained. And I was like, we're gonna call it the electric shark attack. And she was like, oh my god. And then she was like, you're a ranger? And so this is how my life be. Dutch Bros and going in uniform, and therefore getting called out for being a ranger. It's 5:30. I have to be back at work at 6:30, so I'm gonna get my drink, go home, literally put stuff in the fridge, figure out some sort of food to put in my body, even though I have very little appetite, and then go back to work for 3 hours. We're getting there. Experience is great disappointment. I thought it would look cute. It doesn't. Oh well. It is tasty. The purple's throwing me off, though. Oh well, it's energy. It is one of the ships that was the style that the Rosies built, and they have an open house on July 19th where you can go and visit the ship, which is very neat. They're not open all the time. They're not open to the public all the time, so that's kind of a unique thing.
So would that be on their website?
It will be on the Red Oak Victory website.
That's next week.
I have not looked at the Rosie website to see if it's on there or not. It should be. It should be.
It's cool because it is, you know, the Victory ship's over here.
Oh, they're like just little bugs. Mommy? Pretty gross.
I just got home. I immediately made myself a shower drink, and I feel itchy because the termites attacked. So I'm gonna shower, and then I'm probably gonna call it a night and wake up in the morning and get ready to go camping. Have some fun. I might buy bug spray in the morning because now I remembered bugs exist. Yeah.
Don't take yourself so seriously. Look at you all dressed up for someone you'll never see. You're here for a reason, but you don't know why. It's lifting a need in your hands to the sky. Surrender yourself. And I wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself holds in my false confidence. And now I lay myself down and hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again. Don't let those demons in again. I filled the void up with polished out fake sentiment. Surrender yourself. And I wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself holds in my false confidence. And now I lay myself down and hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again. Why won't you take me seriously? Look at me all fucked up, both for someone I'll never meet. And I wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself holds in my false confidence. And now I lay myself down and hope I wake up. Wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself holds in my false confidence. And now I lay myself down and hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again. Hope I wake up young again.
It's about 2 o'clock. I checked into my campsite. I spoke to the ranger here. His name was Adam. Nope, I forgot already. Damn. He was very sweet. He's been a ranger for 40 years. He's doing a junior ranger program on mountain lions. It's fun. I'm going on a little hike. Got my tickets for the hot springs at 3:45, so we're vibing. Oh my gosh, Lupin. Wow. This has been really good. I needed to go and be in an environment that I know, and it's different, but like it's got all my favorites. Like he's me, sagebrush. And yeah, this will be nice. A nice little trip. Let's go this way. I'm heading back from the waterfall. I only took a short clip because there was some people down below and they did not notice me for like a solid couple minutes. And so I didn't really want to film. They weren't paying much attention to around them and so on and so forth. But I went up a little bit higher, sat on rock, and then said screw it and did a little skinny dipping, which was nice. Holy fuck, top surgery changes your self-perception so much. Oof. But yeah, it was so nice that I might go up there tomorrow depending on the weather. I'm kind of booking it right now because it's 3:05 and my hot springs reservation is at 3:45. So I want to have enough time to change, grab my towel, whatnot, maybe have a soda. To be very candid, I have not eaten enough today. I was really excited to leave and said, I don't need to eat breakfast. And then I stopped at 7-Eleven and I thought that I might get something there. Of course, it was 9:30 in the morning, nothing was ready. And then I stopped in one of the towns like right in the foothills and thought I was gonna get a sandwich. Walked in the sandwich place, got really bad vibes. It was dead quiet in there, no music. And I didn't want to deal with it. So I went to the Safeway that was right there thinking I could get something from Safeway. And I ended up getting a thing of sushi, which was not enough food. And then while I got here, I stopped in McLeaville, thinking that I could utilize the restaurant there, and they were way understaffed and it was going to take way too long. So I skipped it and now I am hungry, but I gotta go swim in the pool, enjoy that for a little bit. So I'm gonna try and put some more sugar in my body and hopefully that will be enough calories until later when I have my backpacking meal that I brought. L on my part, did not do good on the food. Rip. But yeah, nice hike. Tasty. This is the green chili mac and cheese. So 2 taps, reseal, 15 minutes. Backcountry food brand. I got it being like, I won't have to use any dishes, and then it was ripped, so I had to use a dish. But I think actually that benefited me because this looks really good. 6 o'clock. So 7, 8, 9, 3 hours before like true darkness. Yeah, got lots of chilling to do. Let's do it. Someone was killed. Rip to that seller's J. Pretty spot though. He's okay. He's safe. Breakfast verdict. It slaps. Like, I'm really happy with this. It's not something that I make on my own, but for a rehydrated meal, pretty good.
Locked in a stalemate with the man was no hope. Rocking a hard place, it's battery control. What am I waiting for? Seaplanes are beneath my compass, my transport.
Honey, honey, get the kids in the car now. Put the cash in the trunk, get the keys, let's go. Hit the biggest bank in Chicago. For all of that, we're the thieves you know. Remember the thing that I told you 3 years, 2 moons ago. Promise I'll be right behind you. You're gonna die if you don't hit the road. Keep your lights down, keep your voice down low. Lay your head down, whichever way you go, and I'll meet you in night. Three kids in the back of a cab. She said, come here and kiss your wife. And I know you're real mad at me. You're on your way to some kind of life. Daniel, John, and Abby promise me to treat your mother nice. Keep your lights down, keep your voice down low. Wear your head down, whichever way you go, and I'll meet you in Idaho. I know you'll miss me, I'm barely 50. And coming with me for all the debts I owe. Don't have to kiss me, just bear with me, and I'll be back someday, I hope. And I know you'll miss me, I'm barely 50. And coming with me for all the debts I owe. Don't have to kiss me, just bear with me, and I'll be back someday, I hope. Oh, I hope.